Hi, fourth grade, and welcome back to Math with Mr. G. I'm here today to go over our Zern Lesson 14 lesson. So our objective today is to define and construct triangles from given criteria, explore symmetry in triangles. So today we're going to be looking at how we can create a triangle that we want to be, first, obtuse. We also want it to be isosceles. Spell it right. And we also want to have one line of symmetry. So these are all the things that we're going to need to create today. So first I need to create an obtuse triangle. So to do that, I'm going to take two lines, and I'm going to, let's say, draw this line. Let's use my line tool. There it is. I'm going to first draw my line like this. Let's have it come down here, and my next line like this. Perfect. So of course I don't have a protractor, but I can see that this is greater than 90 degrees because 90 degrees would be here. Let's just, for the sake of argument, say that this angle is 110 degrees, which does make it obtuse. It's greater than 90. So we have that checked off. Next, we need to make it isosceles. So isosceles means that at least two of the points, or two of the lines rather, are of the same length. Well, we need to first make this a full triangle. So I'm going to connect the 2 points I have here. So now I have a full triangle. And let's say that this side here is 2 inches, and this side right here is 2 inches. So if both these sides are the same, and this one's clearly not, let's say this guy here is about 3.5 inches. So this would make this side and this side equal. So two sides being equal makes it isosceles. So I can check that off. And now I just need my one line of symmetry. So again, a symmetry is just where you can fold it and make it equal. Now my triangle on this tool isn't exactly perfect, but if you had a ruler and a piece of paper, you could make this a lot more equal. Or if you had a grid, you could count out the squares. I do not on this. But if this was perfectly isosceles, like I'd want it to be, I could draw a line right down the middle here. I'll do my best to make this straight while doing this dotted line. So you can imagine you were to fold this tip over that line to this tip, and this would be the one line of symmetry you need. So I'm going to check that off as well. So there's a lot of variations of this. You could ask me for a acute. You could ask me for a scalene, or even an equilateral triangle where all of the sides are the same. More often than not, you're only going to have one or two lines of symmetry, with the exception of an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle, I believe you can have 3. But most of the triangles you have either none, or 1, or 2, but really no more than 3. I look forward to seeing your work, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.